The ottoman we're reupholstering in this video is a frame from Shervan. Shervan is a company located in Roanoke, Virginia, and they sell furniture frames. They sell the frames pre-built if you want them that way, or you can also purchase them knocked down, which makes it a little bit less expensive in shipping. This particular frame is a 34-inch diameter ottoman. It's item number 6374 on their website. This frame has 12 pieces that make up the one that we're using here. The base of the frame is 4 3/4 inches in height, and that's this portion here. And it comes in 4 components that make up the diameter of the frame, and then you've got the 4 components that are what the legs attached to. The filler, which is another 2 inches in height, is also that same 34-inch diameter, and that also comes in 4 pieces. These are all glued and doweled and screwed together to make it a nice rugged ottoman frame. The legs I'm using are also purchased from Shervan, and if you go on Shervan's website, you'll see they've got a really wide selection of different ottoman legs that you can choose for different projects you might be working on. This particular leg that we're using is item number 6533, and it is a 6-inch high leg, and it's about 4 1/8 inches wide at the widest point, which would be this part right here. Once your ottoman frame is all put together, your next step is to put a support system on the top of your frame. You could use a jute webbing, such as this, to do the support, but we are going to use a synthetic sagless. So this is sold by the yard, and it's an easier application because you're putting on one piece instead of several strips. So we're going to put that across the top of the frame, and we'll be stapling it right down to the frame. We're using 9/16 inch staples for this because I want the strength. So I'll get a couple on this side, and we'll spin our ottoman around. Get it taut and get a couple staples in here. So as I'm cutting it, I'm leaving about 1 inch to fold over. And when we do fold it over and staple, you want your staples really close together because you want this to be really strong, because ottomans are set on as well as just putting your feet on them. So now I'll just fold it on top of itself and work my way all the way around the ottoman. Now as I'm doing this, I'm putting my staples about 1/4 inch apart.